What is the average real estate attorney fee in New York City? The typical real estate attorney based in New York City will charge anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 for a normal purchase or sale transaction. Rates are higher for real estate lawyers based in New York City versus attorneys based in lower-cost locations, such as Long Island or the Hudson Valley. For a comprehensive estimate of your buyer closing cost in New York City, visit Houseit's free and interactive closing cost calculator at www.houseit.com. Thinking of buying or selling in New York City? Save money with Houseit, New York City's largest and most trusted for-sale by owner and buyer closing credit company. Houseit has saved New Yorkers millions of dollars in commission since 2014, and we'd love to help you too. There are also discount real estate attorneys who charge a flat rate per transaction as low as $750. If you're thinking of hiring a discount lawyer, just make sure that you aren't sacrificing quality for price. Real estate contracts in New York City can be heavily negotiated, and the entire process is time sensitive, so you'll have the highest chance of actually closing your deal if you hire a seasoned and responsive lawyer. Are real estate lawyer fees in New York City paid upfront or hourly? Real estate attorney fees in New York City are typically structured as an all-inclusive, flat fee per completed transaction. You should be careful if a lawyer asks for hourly pay for a real estate deal, as that's a sure sign the lawyer does not specialize in real estate transactions. This will sometimes occur when buyers or sellers insist on using their family lawyer, someone who they've worked with on a variety of issues from prenuptial agreements to incorporating a business. Such lawyers who claim to do a bit of everything will usually not have much experience in real estate transactions. When do I pay my real estate attorney for a transaction in New York City? Real estate legal fees are typically taken at closing and will be a part of the closing cost mentioned in your lawyer's closing statement. It's also common for real estate attorneys in New York City to charge half of the fee up front, with the remainder to be paid at closing. Most lawyers will ask you to sign an engagement letter, which outlines the scope of the work, fees, and payment structure. Are real estate attorney fees in New York City higher for more complex transactions? Real estate attorney fees can be higher for more advanced transactions that'll simply take more of the lawyer's time. For example, real estate lawyer fees may be higher for a complicated estate sale, with heirs that are hard to track down and a power of attorney involved. Real estate lawyer fees could also be higher for purchases involving a foreign buyer and a convoluted corporate purchase structure. How much are real estate lawyer fees for new developments? Real estate lawyer fees are often double when buying a new construction home in New York City. That's because developers typically expect the buyer to pick up some of their closing costs, such as New York City and New York State transfer taxes and the sponsor's attorney fees. As a result, a buyer of a new construction condo or co-op may end up paying for both their own attorney fees plus the seller's attorney fees. The cost of the sponsor's attorney fees varies by transaction, and it's up to the sponsor to decide how much the fee is. Sponsor legal fees can be anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000.